Welcome to Findependence Journey. In this video, I'll talk about Nano Dimension's business and why I think the company has huge growth potential. Nano Dimension is a tech company based in Israel and provides 3D printed electronics. Its flagship product is Dragonfly LDM system that produces printed circuit boards, antennas, capacitors, and sensors. These are some examples of electronics that are produced by the system. The corporate presentation of Nano Dimension briefly explains how it works. Two printheads inkjet both materials simultaneously, and the object is built up layer by layer through full stack thickness. This is just one manufacturing step, no need for etching, pressing, electroplating. Therefore, the development time of the electronics is greatly reduced. Using Dragonfly system, companies can rapidly develop prototypes and test them so they can reduce time to market and deliver their products faster. The system also improves the production of electronics. Companies don't need to prepare the necessary tools for manufacturing. All these complex machines are replaced with only this, so production gets simpler and faster. 3D printed electronics market is growing very rapidly, as you can see in this chart, showing the market size forecasted by multiple researches. According to one of the research, the annual growth rate of the market is expected to be 44.46%. ID Tech X says the market for professional PCB prototyping is currently growing very rapidly, almost entirely due to market leader Nano Dimension, and has already overtaken the consumer and education. This statement tells us that in this fast-growing market, Nano Dimension has a big advantage as an industry leader. The company's leadership can be seen in the global customer base too. Nano Dimension has sold approximately 60 systems worldwide. A few days ago, on March 11th, Nano Dimension reported its fourth quarter 2020 financial results. Yoav Stern, the CEO, said he was surprised that revenue was higher than his estimation made in the middle of the year. Due to Corona, they sold very few machines, but the revenue from the non-machines showed a very nice performance last year. It means they have a strong business model. The CEO also mentioned that they raised $1.5 billion of cash, which will be used for M&A. With M&A activities they are planning, I think the industry leadership of Nano Dimension will be reinforced. ARK Fund CEO Kathy Wood also has a positive opinion on Nano Dimension. She said, originally it used to call itself a 3D printed circuit board company, but now Nano Dimension has broadened the view of itself into a 3D printed technology device company. ARK Fund's positions in Nano Dimension proves Kathy believes in the future growth of the company. ARKW owns over 5.8 million shares and ARKQ over 7.1 million shares. So in total, ARK Funds own over 12.9 million shares of Nano Dimension. From the chart showing the number of Nano Dimension shares in ARKQ, we can see that ARK Funds have been accumulating Nano Dimension. Let's take a look at the stock price chart. 6 months ago, Nano Dimension stock was $1.50. In January 2021, it went up to as high as 17.89. Recently, it's been corrected with the entire market, and now it's recovering. I opened my Nano Dimension positions at $9 near the end of 2020, Later in February, I added more shares at $11, thinking the stock was turning around. However, the stock fell further, and at that time I wanted to add more, but unfortunately I didn't have cash. For now, I will wait and look for consolidation in the stock price, where I will have a chance to add more stocks. That is all from me about Nano Dimension, a leader in 3D printed electronics market. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and hit the like button. I also recommend checking out my other videos that you might be interested in. Thank you for watching.